For over 2 decades, the internet functioned on a stable transactional loop. You typed a query, a search engine returned a list of blue links, and you clicked through to a website to find what you needed. This model aligned the interests of everyone involved. Search engines earned ad revenue by matching intent with sponsored links, while publishers received a consistent stream of referral traffic to monetize. This chart tracks the share of Google searches that end without a single click to the open web. Since 2016, that rate has climbed from a 45% baseline to 68% in 2026. The behavior that built the commercial internet has shifted. Most digital journeys now begin and end within the search interface itself. For informational publishers, the result is a precipitous drop in audience. All About Berlin, for instance, saw its traffic collapse when Google began scraping its step-by-step administrative guides to synthesize answers directly on the results page. Major commercial news entities face the same pressure. During the AI overlap rollouts in 2025, publishers like the Daily Mail experienced a 65% drop in mobile click-through efficiency on top-performing articles. This drop is not a sign of declining curiosity. Global query volume remains at historic highs, with billions of searches processed every day. Search volume is stable, yet referral traffic is dying. A generative intermediary is increasingly satisfying user intent on platform, bypassing traditional publisher networks. This shift was accelerated by the degradation of search quality. Years of aggressive optimization led to a web full of ad-heavy, repetitive pages that prioritized ranking signals over actual human utility. Users responded by appending the word Reddit to their queries, seeking unpolished human discussion to bypass the flood of programmatic slop. To prevent users from leaving their platforms, search engines integrated large language models to read, synthesize, and answer questions directly. Traditional search engines are evolving into generative walled gardens, disrupting the consistent flow of traffic that previously sustained the open web. Modern search operates through Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or RAG. First, the AI parses the semantic intent of a question, mapping the logic behind the words rather than just matching keywords. Next, the system crawls live databases and segments web pages into discrete semantic chunks. These chunks pass through a content evaluation layer. The engine filters for factual authority and uniqueness, prioritizing segments with expert citations and high information gain scores. Finally, the language model blends these surviving chunks into a custom, cohesive answer displayed instantly. Websites are now functioning as highly structured data sources for autonomous AI pipelines to harvest. Discovery habits are further fragmenting along generational lines. For Generation Z, search often begins with algorithm-driven, short-form visual feeds like TikTok, where they look for authentic peer validation. Tech companies are now paying tens of millions of dollars a year to license community data from platforms like Reddit, attempting to feed their AI models the human authenticity users crave. Online discovery has become a non-linear, multi-platform process driven by visual proof and community consensus. To maintain visibility in this era, enterprise brands and creators are turning to a new discipline, Generative Engine Optimization. The strategy focuses on information gain. This requires replacing generic blog posts with proprietary data, verifiable statistics, and direct quotes from verified experts. In a generative landscape, visibility depends on providing the unique data and expert analysis that AI models need to synthesize helpful answers. For more insights into the technical shifts defining the digital economy, subscribe to the channel.